how to change the slider gallery to grid on Wix.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change the slider gallery to grid in Wix.com. So the first thing that you need to do for that is to log into Wix.com. And once when you log in, you can see that you'll be redirected here on this home page. You can also call it a dashboard if you want. And you can see on this left side right here, there are several features of the dashboard that you can take advantage of, such as sales, events, getting paid, catalog, blog, apps, size and mobile app, inbox, customers and lead, marketing. But for this video, what do we need to do? We need to click on edit site and open the website that we're working on. And here you can see that I already have a slider gallery right here. You can see slider is written here and you can modify and change the slider galleries from here. But if you want to replace it with a grid, you need to click here and delete it. And then you need to click on add elements and click on grid and drag and drop it right here. So here you go. Now you have a grid. That's right here. And you can change the images by clicking here, and you can delete these images and add images of your own if you want to. You can add images from here. You can upload it from your system, or you can add it from the AI or the marketplace that is right here. So Shutterstock, completely up to you. And once when you add it, uh, you will form a proper grid gallery. So I hope that was informative. If you find this video informative, I request you to like this video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this in the future. I'm going to see you with more.